So I just got done with a Woodbury Chamber of Commerce meeting for the Government Affairs Committee that I've been on for a year or so. And in fairness, I think we've only met once or twice since I've been on it. But today we had Jennifer Byers from the Minnesota Chamber of Commerce come in. And I just wanted to share this. We've heard about it. I just learned a little bit more. So the unemployment insurance, Minnesota went in the hole to the tune of $1.13 billion to pay all the benefits throughout the course of the pandemic. Federal government picked up the difference. We have to pay the federal government back. We're getting taxed at the rate of we have interest at the rate of about $50,000 a day. That's adding on to that to pay to the federal government. 31 states use the money that they got from the CARES Act, which Minnesota is sitting on $1 billion right now. So basically enough to cover this. We've had enough to cover it and been paying $50,000 a day in interest. And because the legislatures have not come to an agreement, now the unemployment insurance tax went up for employers March 15th. I got mine the other day, it went up 20%. And understand, folks, business owners are going to pass along those costs to the consumer, which throws back into inflation. So again, it just doesn't make a lot of sense if this was your money and you had $1 billion that somebody gave you, and that somebody that gave you owed them $1 billion, you'd just give it back to them and say, hey, let's call it even, not be paying them $50,000 a day in interest.